If you think there is no such thing as too much peanut butter, these flourless peanut butter cookies are for you. Hey everyone, it's Erin from wellplated.com, and I believe in healthy recipes that are easy, budget friendly, and that your family will love. I am obsessed with peanut butter, and these cookies taste like the center of a Reese's peanut butter cup. In this video, I'm going to teach you my secret. They're made entirely without flour. Makes them gluten-free and so easy to whip up, you don't even need a mixer. These are rich, so grab your milk and let's get started.
Start our batter with 1 large egg. I always crack it directly into the bowl. If you accidentally get a little bit of shell in, which, whoops, I definitely did here, just grab one of your cracked shells and fish that piece right out. I don't know why, but it works just like magic. Speaking of magic, let's add some sugar. We are going to do 2 kinds. Granulated sugar, that helps with the cookie structure. And then I also like to add brown sugar. Brown sugar is essentially granulated sugar, but it's a little more moist and it has some molasses in there. It gives the cookies a rich caramely flavor. You can use light or dark brown sugar, whichever you've got around. A pinch of baking soda to help our cookies rise, and then a little bit of kosher salt. Kosher salt is essential even in sweet recipes because it helps the flavors pop, as does this right here, pure vanilla extract. Don't mess with the imitation stuff, my friends. The real deal is worth it. So worth it, in fact, I can't help myself but splash in a little bit. Now we grab a whisk and stir it all together. Don't bother with a mixer for this recipe. A little bit of elbow grease is all that you need. Now for the star of the show, the peanut butter. This is just, shall I call it my elixir of life? I think I could. These cookies use a whopping 1 cup, which is a lot, and that is why we don't need any butter in these cookies at all. Just, my friend and yours, Mr. Peanut Butter. The healthy fats give the cookies incredible flavor and help them hold together and have a nice, rich, super decadent texture. Once again, whisk it all together. Gets a little thick at this point, but shake it off. You got it, my friends. Just stir it together and remind yourself that you didn't have to get a separate bowl dirty. Now, we could leave these plain peanut butter cookies, but why would we do that when we can add a handful of dark chocolate chips? Quality test. You can make just pure peanut butter cookies, you can add chocolate chips like I am, or you can switch it up with any fun mix-ins of choice. And that is it. Now we gotta chill the dough. Kind of a pain, but totally worth it. A half hour is all you need. That will keep the cookies from spreading too much during baking. Grab a cookie scoop, my fave, and then scoop the cookies right onto your baking sheet in mounds like so. You need to press the cookies down a bit. I love to use a fork just because it feels so incredibly old school, crisscross like the cookies that I remember my grandmother baking. Pop it into your oven for 7 to 8 minutes. The cookies will look underdone at first, but that's exactly what you want.
Welcome to Peanut Butter Paradise. I cannot believe that these came together in just 1 bowl. Cleanup took me like 5 seconds, and that there is absolutely 0 flour. That means they're gluten-free, but the most important thing is that they are absolutely delicious. Oh, so rich. Now that is well plated.